The YAMAHA EF2200iS Inverter generator is an impressive piece of equipment that offers a reliable power solution for various applications, whether for camping, tailgating, or as a backup during power outages. Boasting a compact and lightweight design, this generator is engineered for portability and efficiency, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners alike. One of the standout features of the EF2200 is its inverter technology, which produces a clean and stable power output, ideal for sensitive electronics such as laptops, phones, and televisions. With a maximum output of 2,200 watts and a rated output of 1,800 watts, this generator can handle a variety of devices while ensuring they operate safely without risk of damage. The generator's THD, total harmonic distortion, is less than 1.2%, which makes it one of the safest options for power-sensitive equipment. Weighing in at around 55 pounds, the EF2200 is relatively lightweight compared to other generators in its class. The design includes a built-in handle and a sturdy frame that makes it easy to transport. Users can easily load it into a car, RV, or truck, making it a perfect companion for those who love outdoor adventures. Additionally, the generator has a compact footprint, allowing it to fit in tight spaces, whether in a garage or storage area. The operation of the YAMAHA EF2200 is straightforward and user-friendly. It features a simple control panel with an easy-to-read LCD display that provides critical information such as output voltage, frequency, and remaining fuel time. The generator also includes an eco mode that automatically adjusts engine speed based on the load, promoting fuel efficiency and reducing noise levels. This feature makes it an excellent choice for camping or quiet neighborhood settings, where noise can be a concern. In terms of performance, the EF2200 impresses with its quiet operation. At a quarter load, it operates at a mere 54 dBA, making it quieter than an average conversation. This low noise level is a significant advantage, especially in locations where noise restrictions are in place or when you want to enjoy the sounds of nature without interruption. Another aspect that sets the YAMAHA EF2200 apart from its competitors is its fuel efficiency. With a fuel tank capacity of 1 gallons, it can run for up to 10.5 hours at a quarter load, providing ample runtime for overnight camping trips or extended power outages. This efficiency not only saves money on fuel but also reduces the need for frequent refueling during use. Reliability is a crucial factor for any generator, and Yamaha has built a solid reputation in the industry for producing durable and dependable products. The EF2200 features a robust engine with a cast iron cylinder sleeve for added durability and longevity. The generator is also equipped with various safety features, including low oil shutdown and overload protection, which ensures that the generator operates smoothly and minimizes the risk of damage. Maintenance is relatively easy, with accessible oil and air filters that make routine checks straightforward. The generator's design allows users to perform regular maintenance without needing specialized tools or skills, simplifying ownership and ensuring that it remains in optimal working condition. While the Yamaha EF2200 has many strengths, it is worth noting a couple of potential downsides. Firstly, the initial investment can be higher compared to some budget models. However, when considering its performance, reliability, and features, many users find the price justified. Additionally, the generator does not come with a parallel kit, which may limit its expandability for those needing additional power output. However, Yamaha offers a range of accessories to enhance the generator's functionality. Ultimately, the Yamaha EF2200 inverter generator is a top-tier choice for those seeking a portable and reliable power source. With its combination of advanced inverter technology, quiet operation, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly design, it caters to a diverse range of needs and applications. Whether you are off the grid,